Australia test. Please write your name, your class period, and today's date. Question number 1. Where did the first settlers called Aborigines by the Europeans come from? A. Middle East, B. South Asia, C. Southwest Asia, or D. Southeast Asia? Question number 2. After the convicts in Australia under European rule had served their sentence, they could enter society as A. Labor, B. Social, C. Free, D. Political citizens. Question number 3. What animal was imported from the Middle East in the 19th century to help European explorers explore the dry Australian interior? Is it A. Dingo, B. Camel, C. Kangaroo, or D. Horse? Question number 4. Outside the tropical areas in Australia, you will find forests made up mostly of what kind of trees? A. Rubber, B. Sycamore, C. Eucalyptus, or D. Yellow birch? Question number 5. Kangaroos and koalas are types of mammals that raise their young in a pouch located in a mother's belly. What are these two types of mammals called? Is it A. Marsupials, B. Raccoons, C. Giraffes, or D. Zebras? Question number 6. Which government system is held by one central authority? Is it A. Confederation, B. Federal, C. Unitary, or D. Constitutional monarchy? Question number 7. What type of government system does Australia have? A. Federal system, B. Communist, C. Socialism, or D. Monarchy? Question number 8. Who appoints the Governor General to office? Is it A. the Prime Minister, B. the people, C. Parliament, D. the monarch, king or queen? Question number 9. What is the name of Australia's legislature called? Is it A. Parliament, B. Congress, C. the Senate, or D. Speaker of the House? Question number 10. How many states does Australia have? A. 15 states, B. 6 states, C. 50 states, or D. 0 states? Question number 11. How many territories does Australia have? A. 3 territories, B. 2 territories, C. 50 territories, or D. 6 territories? Question number 12. Which territory is home to the capital city, Canberra? Is it A. Northern Territory, B. Victoria, C. Australian Capital Territory, or D. Queensland? Question number 13. Which is the smallest state in Australia? Is it A. Victoria, B. Queensland, C. New South Wales, or D. Tasmania? Question number 14. Who are Australia's main trading partners? Is it A. China, South Korea, Japan, and the United States? Is it B, North Korea, United States, and China? C, Russia, North Korea, Hawaii, and Tokyo? D, China, Japan, and North Korea? Question number 15. What are Australia's most important natural resources? Is it A, coal, gold, and iron ore? B, coal, copper, and silver? C, gold, silver, and copper? D, oil, coal, and gold? Question number 16. All of the following have affected climate change in Oceania except for which one? Is it A, melting glaciers have increased the height of the sea level? B, coral reef ecosystems have been damaged due to warming temperatures? C, even though glaciers are melting, there have been many droughts? Or D, most people in Oceania live near the coast? Question number 17. Read the selection to answer the question. Continental islands were once attached to continents thousands of years ago. Then, the sea level got higher and tectonic activity created these islands. Tectonic activity is when Earth's crust moves and the plates that make up the crust bump into each other, like during earthquakes. The crust is the rocky outer layer of Earth. Which of the following is the most accurate explanation of this paragraph? Is it A, islands resulted from a process of internal movement and sea change? B, each continent was originally larger than its present state? C, tectonic plates are visible features seen on the Earth's landscape? Or D, tectonic activity caused sea levels to rise and fall? Question number 18. Read the selection to answer the following. Australia and Oceania are very separated from the rest of the world. Because of this, unique animals grew and evolved here. Oceania has many species found nowhere else on Earth. Which word from the paragraph helps you understand that some animals are only found in Oceania? Is it A, separated, B, unique, C, evolved, or D, species? Question number 19. What is a group of islands called? A, peninsula, B, river delta, C, archipelago, D, lagoon? Question number 20. What is the long undersea structure formed by the tiny skeletons of coral, a kind of sea life? Is it A, coral reef, B, Nemo, C, geyser, or D, drought? Question 21. What industry has always been one of the primary sources of income for Australian people? Is it A, manufacturing, B, wholesale, C, agricultural, or D, retail? Question 22. What is one of Australia's largest natural resources that is burned for energy? Is it A, lignite, B, coal, C, iron ore, or D, gold? Question number 23. Most Australians live along the eastern and southeastern coastline for the following reasons except A, fertile land, B, natural resources, C, relaxation, or D, fresh water? Question 24. Australia is both a blank and a country. Is it A, territory, B, city, C, continent, D, climate? Please review your answers. Remember, this is 50% of your grade. This is the second to the last test. Take your time, use your strategies. On the reading excerpts, remember, stay inside the box. Create a square around your reading excerpt to better help you understand the question that it is asking you. Good luck.